Welcome to Step Into Your Story. I'm Carla Goldberg, and this is a space where you can breathe, listen inward, and step into the story your soul is guiding you toward. I've been working on a 5-part series about sacred geometry and how that plays into our spiritual growth. And the shape today that I'm doing is a pyramid. And I'll break it down because there are different types of pyramids, and I just want to make sure everyone knows what we're talking about. But this is a really exciting shape to do. And um, I'm sure some of you are thinking, it's just a pyramid, really? But there's so much to it. So let's just start off with taking a breath with me. So take a big breath in and blow it out. And let yourself arrive. No matter where you are, what you're doing, you are here and it is time. Thank you. The pyramid is a shape of two meanings coming together at the same time. I am held and I am becoming. It has both capacity to hold them at the same time. I am held and I am becoming. So the core question, I'm sure some of you are asking, is what makes a 5-sided pyramid a unique spiritual structure within sacred geometry? Well, let's begin at the base of the pyramid and work up from there. So the base, that's the square, right? The square, the bottom. And it is the foundation. It is where the grounding happens. And if you're interested in more about the square, you can check out 2 episodes ago. I had an episode on the cube and how grounding that is. That was episode 16. So I really encourage you to do that because every single person I've worked with needs more grounding. So if you're like, yeah, that's me, go back to episode 16. But moving forward, so the base of the triangle is the square. And that is the grounding. It's your lived experience. It's here on earth. It's the present moment. It's your breath. It's just your breath and being present. This is where you stand before anything rises up. It's the groundwork. It's the foundation. It's the beginning. And if you're standing in the beginning right now and you're just starting off, I see you. Don't panic. You're right where you need to be. So let's go from here and feel the sides of the pyramid as we move up. And think of the triangles as you move up from the base. They're not walls. They're there to support you. They're your support. This is where things settle, where the nervous system softens, where you feel held and seen clearly who you really are. Not what we portray, not who we pretend, not when we put on a smile and we know we don't mean it. It's who you really are, your authenticness. And if you've been craving steadiness and to be seen, you're not alone. I see you. I'm glad you're here. After the base, the square, right? We have the sides going up, the triangles going up into the pyramid shape. And it's from the base moving up, the pyramid rises around you. They're not walls, they're support, they're safety. It's where things settle, where your nervous system softens, where you feel held enough to be seen clearly. You're really authentic, not the people we pretend to be, but who you really are, where you're really seen. And if this is making you feel uncomfortable, I see that. And thank you for being here and working through this, because it is a real challenge to be seen with who you really are. And you deserve to feel supported. Welcome to the pyramid. So I do want to share that I create this space because I want everyone to feel safe, where they can be authentic and learn. And part of that is not accepting ads. I don't do ads. I don't want the interference, the disruption that comes in with those. So if you're looking for a way to support me or to go deeper in what I talk about, I invite you to check out the Spiritual Evolution Portal. That's my monthly membership. And it's a great way to feel the support of others. We have monthly group healings, community support, and a growing library of spiritual classes that will help you go on your spiritual path. And the courses are really designed for what the community is wanting. So if you're telling me you want something, I'll whip it together and make sure that it's relevant and practical. I just don't want to give you information. I want to give you content that's going to change your life. So it's a supportive space to strengthen your intuition, heal past wounds, and step into the story your soul is guiding you toward, which is all about this podcast. So in that effort, let's go back to the pyramid and keep moving through the energetic fields of the pyramid. So as the energy settles on the sides of the pyramid, I want you to notice what begins to come into focus. Because as you move up the pyramid, there's going to be clarity that comes through. There's going to be attunement. There's going to be things that you're going to notice that you didn't notice before. And your inner compass awakens and you have a sense of direction, of movement, clarity, and you feel what matters. And that's when the shift starts to happen. And if clarity is felt like it's far away, it's okay. You're doing beautifully. All that matters is you're here. This is not a destination process. This is a explore process. Because it's a process, there is no end destination. So let's transition a little bit. So we've entered the space. Your inner voice becomes audible, right? Because you're being authentic and you're not muzzling yourself. You're saying what you need to say and what comes from the heart. Your intuition becomes clearer. You begin to trust the subtle signs and signals again as you develop that intuition. And if your intuition has felt quiet, you're not doing anything wrong. It's just part of who you are, who you've been, and who you're becoming. And your inner knowing has never left you. It's been there. It might have been hard to hear, but it's there. So then we go to the apex. That's the top of the pyramid, right? Where all the triangles come together. It's a place of coherence where everything lines up. This is the moment where you feel like, and you can see the clouds parting, right? And the angels come down. That's the feeling of that. And where you feel yourself becoming who you're meant to be. You're stepping into that. You're stepping into your story. And if something is clicking in you right now and you're like, you feel the flutter, trust that. Keep moving forward. It's a timeline shifting shape, the pyramid. And I'm not saying you jump in it and you you shift time. That's not what the pyramid is. What I mean is the base is the present, your breath, right? That is your grounding. That's who you are right now in the space that you consume here on earth. That's the base, the square. And then the apex is pulling you towards higher alignment, higher self, higher frequencies. Those slopes on the side are the movement from present to future, from grounding to ascension. So let's bring this more into a lived experience. And here's a way I want you to put the pyramid into your regular practice. And don't panic when I said that. I could feel some of you guys panicking. You're moving at your own pace, and your own pace is the pace you need and where you're at. So don't worry about that. So this is some homework you can do. And just once this week, choose which word describes where you are in the moment. Foundation. So are you needing more grounding? Are you in the present or maybe need to be more in the present? Are you at the apex, the top of the pyramid, feeling high vibe, like everything's going along? You're like, just do, everything's magical? Or are you in the transition? And there's nothing wrong with going back and forth and in between. Unfortunately, a lot of the spiritual community talks about, being in attunement and awaken and all these beautiful things, but you can't stay there. We're still humans. We're still attached to Earth. We can't be up in that high vibe all the time. We physically cannot. And if people are saying they are, I have a feeling they have some issues that are blind spots they need to work on, because it doesn't happen. So I want you to just name, where are you at and what do you need? Are you need foundation and grounding? Are you near the top where everything's going great? Or are you in the transition? And you don't have to do anything about it. I just want you to name it and acknowledge where you're at. If you're in a season of rebuilding, this part is especially for you because you've already survived a lot. You are allowed to grow at the pace that feels comfortable. And just know that the pyramid supports any kind of restructuring, boundaries, clarity, and becoming. And if you're not sure where any of this is, start at the bottom with the base, which is grounding. And remember, we're all going up and down. So there's no right or wrong. There's no, oh, I have to be this, I have to be that. It doesn't work that way. So as we get to a close, I want to thank you for being here. Your presence shapes this space. And if you found this helpful, please give me 5 stars, share with a friend, and write me a review. If you write a review, I'll read it on the air. And just keep in mind that the pyramid reminds us that alignment isn't about climbing. It's about coherence, clarity, and being held as you grow. So, until next time, walk gently, listen closely, and keep stepping into your story.